माना है कि आज अंधेरा बड़ा घना है। माना है कि आज अंधेरा बड़ा घना है, लेकिन एक दिया जलाना हमें कहाँ मना है। हेलो एवरीवन, आई एम ज्ञानदा शरद वासनकर फ्रॉम इंदिराबाई ललवाणी जूनियर कॉलेज जामनेर, डिस्ट्रिक्ट जलगांव. Today, I'll be speaking on a topic, Corona, a biological war. Now, when I look at this topic, as we all know, the COVID-19 pandemic is defining global health crisis of our time and the greatest challenge we have faced since World War II. Since its emergence in Asia, the virus has spread to every continent except Antarctica. So, we are facing a biological war against that minute and micro individual. Corona has impacted on many aspects of our society, and they are social, economical, political, technical, and educational aspects. Our social life is disturbed. Economies of most of the countries, including superpowers, has fallen. Many IT professionals who are working in technical or corporate sector are working from their homes. As well as rigorous thing is, Corona has affected educational systems worldwide, leading to total closures of schools, यूनिवर्सिटीज एंड कॉलेजेस. मैं उस देश की नागरिक हूँ जहाँ छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज और सम्राट अशोक जैसा राजा था. मैं उस देश की नागरिक हूँ जहाँ हर 50 मील पर रूप पहनावा अपना मजहब बदल जाता था. मैं उस देश की नागरिक हूँ जहाँ डाल डाल पर सोने की चिड़िया को पाया जाता था. मैं उस देश की नागरिक हूँ जिसे अपने भूगोल के पहले पूरे ब्रह्मांड का भूगोल समझ आता था. I just said these beautiful lines regarding my beloved motherland India because India is playing very supportive and vital role in this fight against COVID-19. I would like to state the United States has commended India's efforts to support other countries in this fight. Honorable UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres salutes the countries like India for being helping hands in this biological war. My dear friends, the world is looking at India like it had never looked at it before. This does not only bring pride and respect to my country, but also generates a very strong relationship with countries, those who are more developed than ours. But nevertheless, we cannot ignore the second side of the coin. Thousands and lakhs of people in all over the world are facing problems like poverty, hunger crisis, unemployment, and many more due to this biological war. Today, after the sunset, there will be choice of dinner that you and I can take. But still, there are some people who didn't have a choice to eat tonight. Every day, people are losing their jobs and incomes with no way of knowing when the normality will return. We are irritating due to this situation of quarantining citizens, limiting travel, cancelling large gatherings. But let me tell you a story of a brave and courageous girl in Rwanda who had survived for 91 days in a small 12-feet bathroom due to fight between people of two sects in Rwanda. At that time, her whole family was killed in that incident. Instead of getting depressed, she saw a dream to speak up about harassing condition of people of her country on the global platform of United Nations. And she did it. In that period of 91 days, she improved her English and made efforts to fulfill her dream. She did it, and now she got an American citizenship. She is working as an author and motivational speaker in the world. I must say, such people should be our inspiration in this tough time. By noticing this condition, I am feeling very thankful to our Corona warriors, our doctors, our nurses, our police staff who are working endlessly for our service and our lives. बस ये बात हवाओं को बताए रखना, रोशनी होगी चिरागों को जलाए रखना. बस ये बात हवाओं को बताए रखना, रोशनी होगी चिरागों को जलाए रखना. पीपीई किट और खाकी वर्दी पहनकर, पीपीई किट और खाकी वर्दी पहनकर जिसकी हिफाजत की योद्धाओं ने उस तिरंगे को सदा दिल में बसाए रखना, सदा दिल में बसाए रखना. With this, I would like to state the only thing people of India can do is to strengthen the connection that already exists within and inter India. How can we do this? We can do this by following rules and regulations of our government, by taking active participation and understanding what are our responsibilities and our duties towards a country, a nation, our people are. And the day we all realize our responsibilities. The day we start working hard, the face of this nation will change. And let's do this. Let's hold our hands, work even harder, and let's do what India was born to do, to build love, to build respect, and to generate peace. I would like to end my say with the quote, जिस दिन तेरी फतेह का परचम इस मिट्टी पर लहराएगा, जिस दिन तेरी फतेह का परचम इस मिट्टी पर लहराएगा, क्या ज़मीं क्या आसमां, ये हिंदुस्तान मिल जाएगा, ये हिंदुस्तान मिल जाएगा. थैंक यू सो मच. जय हिंद.